Hello students, in the last video we have solved lesson number 1 Arbeitsbuch exercises till exercise number 3. I hope you know that Arbeitsbuch and Kursbuch are included in one book itself. The first half part is the Kursbuch and the second half part is the Arbeitsbuch. So we are going to solve Arbeitsbuch exercise number 4 onwards in this video. So let's start. Open your Arbeitsbuch. So students, now we will solve exercise number 4. So open Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 82, Aufgabe 4. Aufgabe 4, was war los? Ergänze die Verben im Präteritum sein und haben, sein oder haben. Here you are supposed to fill the past tense form of sein and haben. Let's revise first the past tense form of sein and haben. I hope you remember that sein's past tense form is war and haben's past tense form is hatte. So let's revise both the verbs conjugations. Ich war, du warst, sie war, ihr wart, wir sie waren. Ich hatte, du hattest, sie hatte, ihr hattet, wir sie hatten. I hope you remember that in case of preteritum, ich and RSC form remains the same. So here also ich and RSC form is same. Now I will discuss the difficult words meaning of this exercise. In our live class, we will discuss the answer. Letzte Woche is last week. Krank is sick and fever is fever. B. Warum blank ihr gestern nicht auf der Party? Gestern bedeutet yesterday, auf der Party bedeutet in the party. Leider blank wir viel Arbeit. Leider bedeutet unfortunately and Arbeit bedeutet work. Mein Tag blank wirklich hektisch. Hektisch is hectic and wirklich means really. Wir blank viele Gäste. Viele Gäste is many guests. Day blank wir letzte Woche keine Hausaufgaben. Letzte Woche is last week. No homework. Doc, here sind die Arbeitsblätter. Of course we had exercise. Here are the worksheets. Arbeitsblätter bedeutet worksheet. Wo blank du am Wochenende? Am Wochenende is on weekend. Martha. So I hope the meanings are clear. Now in our live class we will discuss the answers of the same. Now let's move ahead. Now let's solve Aufgabe 5 on page number 82. It is just a revision of Kleidungsstücke. I hope you remember Kleidungsstücke auf Deutsch. Welche Kleidungsstücke sind das? So which are these clothes? So they have given the jumbled words and you have to guess which clothes are these. So definitely in our live class we will discuss the same, but here I would like to discuss the answers also. Purposely I have given the answers so it will be easier for you. A is Hose. Hose is pant. B jeans. C t-shirt. D hemd. Hemd is shirt. A Anzug. Anzug bedeutet suit. F Jacke. Jacke bedeutet jacket. G Krawatte. Krawatte is tie. H pullover. Pullover is pullover. I Mantel. Mantel is also jacket. And J is bluse. Bluse is top. So solve this exercise in your workbook also. Now let's move ahead. The next exercise is based on adjective endungen. So first let's revise the adjective endungen. In 11th standard you have done adjective endungen in nominative and accusative. I hope you remember little bit. Now there are two tables in adjective endungen. First table is with article table and the second table is without article table. So let's see the first table. This is the table which is used with articles. Articles include everything: definite article, indefinite articles, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, negation, all these types of art, all these categories come under article. So whenever there is an article given before adjective, you have to refer this table. This table is actually very easy. You can simply see, if there is there, you can put e, then is there, you can put en, or einen is there, you can put en. Directly you see the article. Or for example, meinen is given, meinen is equivalent to einen, so you can put en. Or for example, diesen is given, diesen is equivalent to then, so you can put en. So comparatively, this first table is very easy, but there are two things which you have to keep in mind while using this table. The first thing is ein. Ein is used twice here in this table, in masculine as well as in neutrum. Ein is equivalent to kein, mein, unser, ihr, all these things, sein. So whenever ein is there, you have to keep in mind that you have to check whether the noun is masculine or neutral. If the noun is masculine, it use er. If the noun is neutral, use es. I repeat, if ein is used before adjective, you have to check whether the noun is masculine or neutral. If the noun is masculine, you need to use er. If the noun is neutral, you have to use es. There is one more article here which is used twice, the. The you can see here in feminine as well as in plural. So whenever the, diese, meine, keine, unsere is there, you have to check whether the noun given is singular or plural. If the noun is singular, use e. If the noun is plural, use en. For example, here I will explain you with the help of example. Now, just now in the last exercise, we have seen the word bluse. Bluse is top. So, meine schöne Bluse. If bluse is singular, you will use e ending schöne. But if bluse is used as a plural form, meine schönen Blusen. Here en ending is used. So whenever the is there, you have to check whether it is singular or plural, and accordingly you need to decide. Now let's see the second table. Second table is used whenever there is no article before the adjective, or if there are numbers before adjective like zwei, drei, hundred, sich, such type of numbers are there before adjective, then also you have to use the second table. While using the second table, you have to be more careful. You have to know the article of the noun as well as you have to know the case of the noun. So let's see the table. In nominative masculine, er is used, and accusative masculine, en is used. Feminine ee is same in both nominative and accusative. Neutrum also es is same in both. Even plural ee is same in both. So if it is without article, and if it is feminine, neutrum or plural, it is okay if you don't understand the case. Still your answer will be correct because it takes the same ending in both. But if the noun is masculine, you have to check whether it is a subject or object, and accordingly need to decide which ending will come. Okay, I hope this table, both the tables are clear. Now we can solve the exercise. So let's move ahead. Arbeitsbuch Seite Nummer 83. Open workbook page number 83. Exercise Aufgabe 6. Ergänze die Endungen. You have to fill up the endings. Here I will explain you only the difficult words meaning. In our live class, we will discuss the answers of the same. So let's start. A. Ines, du trägst ein schon blank Kleid heute. Ist es teuer? Tragens conjugation is trägst, that means to wear. Schon is beautiful, Kleid is dress. Heute is today. And teuer is expensive. Is it expensive? Ja, schon blank Kleider sind meistens teuer. Kleider is plural here. Clothes are mostly expensive. Teuer is expensive and meistens is mostly. B. Endlich haben wir eine groß blank Wohnung. Endlich is finally, groß is big and Wohnung is house. Say, sind das die Deutsch blank Touristen? Are these the German tourist? Deutsch is German and Touristen is the plural tourist. Wie finden Sie den Indisch blank Alltag? Finden is to find. How do they find the Indian daily routine? Alltag is the daily routine. Then they Nena, gestern hatte ich einen lang blank Tag. Yesterday I had a very long day. Was hast du gemacht? This is the perfect form. What have you done? Ich habe den ganz blank Tag für eine wichtig blank Prüfung gelernt. Lernens perfect is gelernt, learned. Then ganz blank Tag is for the whole day. Wichtig is important and Prüfung is exam. Learn for an important exam. Karin, ab morgen läuft ein neuer Blank-Film von Shahrukh im Kino. Ab morgen is since tomorrow. See, M is small. Whenever this M is small, it is always, its meaning is tomorrow. If M is capital, its meaning will be morning. You know, Guten Morgen. So, since tomorrow, a new film is running. Läuft is running of Shahrukh Khan in the theater. Oh ja, der neue Blank-Film möchte ich unbedingt sehen. Unbedingt is at any cost, sehen is to see. F. Diese alt blank Bücher, these old books, in meinem Regal, Regal is shelf, in my shelf, belongs to my father. Gehören is to belong. Gehören is a dative verb, that's why you can see that to whom it is belonging is always dative. That's why my name Vater is dative here. Then G1, ich finde alt blank Bücher besonders informative. I find old books especially informative. Besonders means especially. Haben Sie einen bunt blank Regenschirm hier gefunden? Bunt is colorful, Regenschirm is umbrella. Have you found any colorful umbrella here? Fragt mich der alt blank Mann im Café. The old man asked me in the cafe. E. Martin trägt meistens. Meistens means mostly a white shirt and black pant. Hose is pant and hemd is shirt. Kaufen Sie doch den grau blank Anzug. Buy the grey suit. Der blau blank da is garnished price weight. The blue one is not at all. Garnished is not at all. Price weight is reasonable or it is not worth enough. Ha, Gukmal. Gukmal is look at. The road blank sports shoe da. The red sports shoes. Always remember that jeans, shoes always consider as plural. Whereas family is always considered as singular. These are common mistakes. That's why I am repeating. Shoes, shoe, jeans always consider as plural and the word family used as a singular one. Ich möchte sie unbedingt kaufen. I would like to buy it at any cost. While solving this exercise, first check whether there is any noun after blank or not. If there is a noun after blank, then it will take ending. Otherwise, you can put cross or dash. After that, second step will be check whether there is an article before adjective or not. If there is an article before adjective, use first table. If there is no article before adjective, use second table. Please remember these steps and accordingly solve the exercise. In our live session, we are going to discuss the answers of the same.